I'm in Norway. Norway. It's crazy. It's fancy. This is nuts over here. This is Norway. We're in fucking Norway. Shit. Wow.
In Norwegian, the fairy tale is all based on troll. Troll is yourself, okay? It's what is in you. I can tell you a very short story about one of them, okay? It was 3 kids. They were supposed to have wood, firewood for home. So the oldest one went out, and the troll said, "Who is on my forest?" And he said, "The kid is me." He says, "If you don't stop chopping the woods, I'm gonna chop your head." So the kid went running home. And then the middle one came out and said, "I can do that." He went. The same story happened. The little kid says, "Mom, can I do that?" I said, "You're too young." He says, "No, let's leave my sandwich, let's go." So he took with him white cheese. You know the white cheese? It's water in it. So he was chopping woods, and then the troll came and he says, "Who chopped me?" He says, "Me." And the troll says, "If you don't stop it, I will chop your head." And the kid took the cheese and squeezed it. He says, "If you don't stop talking, I will squeeze you like this. Take the water out of you like I take from the rock." The conclusion of the story is, you never give in. If you believe in something, you never give in, no matter how big or how small you are. It could be a massive guy or a big small guy. It's one of the stories, you know.
Yeah, check. Yeah. Check. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2.
We're in Germany at the Haribo Factory. This is different. Sheesh. This is different. Let's go. It is. Hello.
This looks like an interesting flavor.
So,
It's like some cool, maybe minty or something. I don't know. Looks like a popsicle type of shit my kid be liking.
probably.
What?
I might go crazy.
No, I'm like, yo.
So much stuff.
The Haribo Factory, they have things for kids to color on, popsicle Haribos, I don't know what that is. They have cola variations. Here's the round one in the cola. You can make your own. You can have salt bombers, larvas, charmellows, everything you need. Just all you gotta do is come over to the factory, Haribo, Germany.
I actually went fucking crazy in here. They had so many different shit. They had so much different shit. I actually went fucking crazy just now. I went Haribo crazy just now. Look at this shit. I have so many different flavors. Shit I never seen. You know me, I love gummy bears. I love it. I went fucking insane just now. Literally kind of went insane. I don't even know how much it cost. Oh shit. I don't even know how much it cost. I just got a whole bunch of shit. I got some stuff for my daughter to color on. I just got a lot of stuff. Look at this. You never seen gummy stick stuff. You ain't never seen the Haribo stick stuff. I ain't never seen that.
You go to the American Embassy. We're going to the American Embassy. Always welcome into McDonald's. Americans, come on in. You got the McFlurry. American bullshit you want. After you, sir.